today's video, let's learn how we can send one-time viewed video on Snapchat. So first of all, head over to your Snapchat account and then simply get logged into your account. Now it will directly launch your camera, so let's go ahead and take a video, or you can simply send a existing video which you have from your gallery section. I'm going to record a video right now. Now this being my video, if you would like to send it on one time, what you have to do is scroll all the way below. In here you will see a loop. So simply tap onto loop, and as you can see that it says 1, which means play once. Meaning if this video is viewed by somebody, it can only be played once. And likewise, tap on send to. Now go ahead and send it to your friends. I'm going to send it to myself and show you how it works. So tap on chats here. As you can see, this is my video. And likewise, the video is simply played, and now if I would like to double play, I cannot do it. I can, however, replay it, but I cannot play it more than twice. So guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.